guys, the Mamalaya TV special version. I'll explain this new Dyson vacuum cleaner in our house. So the Mamalaya TV previously already this one unboxing introduced, right? So today try to show that what's the feature. It's written here V12 Dyson vacuum cleaner. Okay, this one is handy. Sometimes it's really difficult to put somewhere else, so this kind of stand is attached, and especially it's very heavy. So yeah, but it's stable. Maybe this kind of this around here it's a bit heavy, so that is why it should be a little bit around here, a little bit heavier to make it really standing here stable. Then once we use, of course, using like this, then put it back here. So this is the battery. We can charge here. Once it's returned, there the battery charging situation is written. This is very interesting. It has like a screen to show like what's the category. Just you finish the cleaning, vacuuming, then what kind of the size of the dust we vacuumed. It's visible here using the bar graph or something. It's really amazing. This is the starting button. Once we finish, sound is very interesting. We can exchange a lot of different kind of nozzle, even the length. We can change this one like this, right? But anyway, this time we will try this really the number one feature, laser detector of the dust. Let's try. Here we go. The laser. The dust just we vacuumed, right? Wow, we can see even the dust what we vacuumed here. Easy to take out the dust, easy to clean up. Anti-chango screw, like when we utilize for yarn, like a sweater or something. This is for bed mat form to take out the dust. I think this one, it has a space. The intentionally the AI is going here so that it will not vacuum too much. This one no need to explain. This is for the small place. And this one is the carpet. So this one actually it's tongued a lot. We used for the carpet. This is for the carpet. It will not grasp too much. Okay. And other than that, you can put this one. For example, there are a lot of stuff and to want to take out dust, and use this one to vacuum. It's really good. So it depends on the family, but we can put here something frequently used. For example, nozzle. Let's say our family use this one frequently. Maybe we can put it here, right? And for example, this one sometimes used. Then this one put like that. And other than that, maybe we don't need to use this one too much, so put it somewhere else. Very powerful, handy, and like advanced vacuum cleaner. Once we use that laser detector, we said, wow, literally. We love it. Thank you very much for watching. So see you next time for the Mamalaya TV.
If you like this video,
please hit the like, and if not yet, please subscribe this Mamalaya TV channel. So see you guys. Bye bye.